We're going to do the Fuzztail Hefeweizen. They're from the Sun River Brewing Company. This has 5% alcohol and 20 IBUs, so it'll be a nice light Hefeweizen. Should be a nice kickoff to our morning.
American wheat ale.
Mm-hmm.
Refreshing wheat ale with a light citrus touch.
We shall see. You can kind of smell the citrus in it.
Smells a little bit like a wheat beer.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of yeasty. Just smells like their beer.
Yeah.
Like they're, you know.
Oh yeah, the one yesterday smelled almost the same.
Yeah, it's kind of funny.
That's more than a hint of citrus, but definitely a Hefe.
Very smooth.
It is smooth.
Nice and balanced.
Flavor
pretty good.
drops off pretty quick.
Yeah, it's really short. You can tell it's one of their beers, though. It just has that kind of house character that they have. Like they, you know. Yeah, I don't get too much citrus. It would be okay with a little tiny piece of lemon in there.
Well, my first drink, I got a citrus pretty strongly, but I could have had the nose with it too. Yeah, but yeah, put a lemon or lime in here.
Yeah, lemon's supposed to bring out the taste of the weed a little bit.
Yeah.
Plus, it's just good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty solid.
Yeah, not bad at all.
20 IBUs are not perceptible at all. It's just fucking excellent balance. Kind of a richer, sort of almost like rich kind of wheat flavor, you know?
Yep.
In there.
It's like you kind of get the
Pretty
wheat
decent.
that lingers like that.
Yeah.
But the main flavor drops off.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy.
It does have kind of a grainy maltiness that sort of hangs out, but it's not sweet or anything.
Right.
Just sort of a grainy.
Go good with some cod or something.
I was thinking like grilled chicken Caesar or something like that.
Oh
It could
yeah,
be a
salad
great
for sure.
salad beer.
Absolutely. Good cold sandwich beer too.
Yeah, it would definitely. Chips and salsa would totally work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sausages, German sausage.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Potato salad.
Even summer sauce.
Cold
crackers
cuts.
and,
Yeah. Even just some lighter barbecue and stuff.
Oh
too,
yeah,
of
absolutely.
Course, but maybe some
fucking
margarita pizza or something with just like you know, the tomato and the cheese and the fresh basil and
yeah. Smoked ribs would go with this good too.
that's pretty good.
Yeah. I'm a fan.